Okay, qualifying did not go as I'd hoped. But we're right at the back.
Green, green, green.
I've got a bit more pace, I think, than my qualifying spot shows. So I'm hoping we'll make a little bit of progress. That guy's just backed out of it completely. It's a half-hour race. Obviously, you don't want to have problems early on. We just want to get through. First couple of laps, instant ahead.
Slow car ahead. Slow car.
Where are we going then? Who's going where? We're going there. Okay. Okay. Well, we slowed and got through. Let's get the tyres warm. So this is Alton Park, but with no chicanes, which is actually really nice. I really like this. I think I've got this track for one of my league races in the Pit Bits Community League. So I think this will be a good little practice for that later on in the season. Yeah, it's quite nice. I really don't like the first chicane, certainly, at Alton. So this is nice that we haven't got that.
Go left.
Okay, we're up to 13th, nearly in the top 10. So actually, this is probably more where I should have qualified. And the fast guys at the front were really fast. Like a good second and a half on what I could do. I could do sort of low 43s. And this right-hander is where I'm struggling just a little bit. Getting the speed right. I'm coming in too quick, which is what messed up my qualifying. That and the first corner. But we made it. Okay, he's gone too deep, I think. So we'll get a bit of a run on him because he had to back right out of it. Don't know if we've got enough to make a move. Possibly not. Bit early in the race, half-hour race. Let's not kill ourselves in the first lap. Yeah, I think someone's making the point. Overtaking in the first corner in a 30-minute race is not ideal. People just seem to want, I don't know. They're not prepared to be patient or wait, are they? They just go for it, which I guess is fine as long as you don't take a load of people out or cause an accident. Well, let's settle in anyway. Got some fast guys coming up behind, I think. Albert Abel, I think, might be quite quick. Although he was last, but he didn't qualify, same as me. I think we're being held up just a little bit by Maurizio. Let's see, because I don't want to get mugged by people behind, and people ahead are getting away a little bit. I think we might try and go here. Although this corner is...
Car on your left.
This is my bogey corner, so trying to overtake into it.
Clear.
It's not ideal. We made it. And we've kept the position, and he was a bit slow into this next one, wasn't he? So we made it. Oh, that was a bit risky. He put himself wide last time. And he's gone a bit wide again, so let's go after this next lot. He closed right up on me there, didn't he? I got the better exit.
44.547.
So 43s is where we should be, I think.
Car stopped on the right.
Oh gosh, someone else gone off.
Go left.
Oh dear. Know where they came from. Let's get after Nicolaus. The guy behind's going to get overtaken as well. He made a shape for a move, didn't he? Yeah, a bit better through that. He's given us a bit of a run. I think he's going to lose another spot. Same place he did to me. Looks like. So yeah, I think taking that a bit safer Got a better exit anyway. That's better. So we're into the 43s now. This guy behind seems pretty quick, Abel. Need to watch out for him. Guy behind him's done a 42. So I might have some trouble coming, I think.
428. You've just set your fastest lap of the session.
So 43.4. I think we're catching this group. Someone's gone off. Top 10 now then. I do think I'm going to have some trouble from behind soon. I get that feeling. They're closing up pretty quick. I don't want to focus on them. I want to focus on what's ahead, really. Get into this battle. If I can. Get their slipstream, which would help. And we'll have a big old trailer car. So this is all the way to 5th place then ahead. Yeah, they're much quicker than me through there. Look at the closing speed. I've not got that corner right at all.
There's an incident ahead.
Okay, well, they've both held each other up.
You got a slow car on the right.
Someone gone off there. Someone going a bit wide there. Yeah, hopefully those two behind will slow each other down.
Set the fastest lap. 42.128. 43.478. You're in the top 10.
9th now. Okay, so we're on this guy, Nicholas. Got the slipstream now, which is helping.
Slow car
What the
ahead.
fuck?
Somebody off there.
Car on the right.
So we'll have a good run on him.
Car right.
Got all those blinkers.
Clear on the right.
Oh, somebody blinking, were they? I think I need to brake a bit earlier. That's probably what it was. Braking too late. Just settle into my pace then. See what we can do.
.879. You've just set your fastest lap of the session.
He's a bit slow around there, wasn't he? They've really caught up. Leo has, anyway. Be nice to get past Nicholas, really. The guy behind's done the fastest lap of the race. Let's see if we can make a move on the straight then. With the slipstream. I wonder. Probably a bit too far back. Oh, he's quick through there.
Right side.
So I'm clearly doing something wrong through that because he's much quicker.
Still there, hold your line.
Oh, great. Gave him space and he knocked me off. How much space do you need, mate?
Left side. Clear on the left. Car right. Clear.
And someone just run into the back of me.
Clear.
Jesus.
Leader is running. 44.062.
Right. Not what I wanted.
51.208.
Okay, got to run on this one anyway.
Car right.
I'm just going to slow that.
Clear.
Bloody hell. It's all over the place.
Clear.
Oh, come on. Gotta do it all again now. Okay, I don't think that's quite the correct line. Yeah, I gave him all that space and he still knocked me off. We look at the replay. I felt like I'd given him the room and he just still couldn't get by. And then, I mean, I guess I was on the racing line, but I was I mean, he had plenty of time to see me. The guy behind, I don't know why he just ran into me.
0.6 seconds.
Not paying attention, I guess. Anyway, no point complaining. Let's get after them.
44.155.
5x. It's not the end of the world. It's not great, but gaggle of cars up ahead anyway, so maybe we can make some progress. That's a gaggle up to 9th. We might be able to get back in the top 10 again if we're lucky. But everyone seems pretty quick actually, so we're not making any progress.
The car looks fine. No damage.
No damage, that's good. That better? Maybe that was better. Oh,
Bye bye, Dimitri.
there goes somebody.
Go right. Right side. Clear on.
Well, I mean,
You've got wheel damage. Looks like one of your
yeah, I
wheels
tried to pick a side, but
left grip out there. Go right.
couldn't avoid that.
You're losing on the car in front. The gap is 3.2
And
seconds.
there's no fast repair, so that's it.
Pit box in 5,
Oh dear.
2, 1.
Those my front wheels. They're already there. Oh,
The damage
right.
is
Oh,
repairable.
it's all repairable, optional repairs. Well, I'll finish the race, but I won't make you watch the pit stop. Okay, so last lap. I've just been plodding around. A few other people have had issues, and would you believe I've actually made my way up to 14th, and I will only lose 2 I ranking points, which I think is pretty good. I'm happy with that. I lose some safety rating, I think. I had another off track, so got 10x so far. But I haven't lost a shed load of I rating, which was important. So pleased about that. But yeah, very disappointing that was. I mean, a good start to the race. Not such a good end. But anyway, we'll come through. We'll have a look at the incidents and have a look at the results. There we go. It's 29 degrees in my room at the moment. I'm pretty warm. Oh, both fans going. And I'm still looking a bit disheveled. Anyway, let's have a look at those incidents.
Chicken flag, chicken flag.
Okay, it's a start then. So we get a good start. Got away. I mean, obviously we're starting right at the back, which is not ideal, but you know, we made a little bit of progress. So what happened then? Okay, this is at the front. Oh yeah, that's the thing, isn't it? You're trying to, yeah, just created havoc, didn't it? Just trying to make a move early on. We benefited obviously, but yeah, it's a half-hour race, guys. You just get through the first corner at least. Yeah, you know, still the first lap. Look. Oh well, we benefited from that. Oh, that's just all on his own, isn't it? Making a mistake there. Now, what have we got? Just going to tap him into a spin. No, just a bit of a bump draft. What's this going to be then? Oh, well, he misjudged that, didn't he? Really hit him hard. Oh, was that the same car? Not sure what happened there. Okay, bit of bumping going on there. Is this guy just going to spin on his own? Yes, he is. Oh, that was unlucky. It wasn't really the Red Bull's fault. Not like you do about that. So this is up the front, I think. These are the lead guys. Oh, lovely, mate. Lovely little pit maneuver. Push to pass, eh? Send it or bin it, yeah. Well, they're really pushing, aren't they? What's this going to be then? Just got his braking completely wrong. Oh, dear. And then on the grass, into the wall. I think this is where we ended up hitting. Did we? Or did we get by that one? Not sure. Oh, blimey. Oh, what a mess. And yeah, that was the one we hit. Oh, unfortunate. Really. I mean, not a big hit, but did a lot of damage, didn't it? 5 and a bit minutes. Why do people do that? It's just so rude. They know what they're doing, don't they? Oh, Red Bull car. I mean, there's no need for that on a straight, is there really? That's pretty poor driving. Oh, that's... Well, I'm surprised he went off there. He sort of had it under control, didn't he? Okay, is he going to do the same? Yeah, goodness. Must be just hit the curb right. You can see. Went exactly the same place. Okay. Oh, God. Why can't people brake? I don't know what's wrong with people. On the straight again. Oh. Well, he sort of let him go. And that was it. Okay. Let's have a look at the results. So then that was top split out of 5. Lost some safety rating, but only lost a little bit of I rating. 11 points. Okay. I thought it was just going to be 2, but 11. So it's not too bad. Could have been worse. Lap time wise, we were a little bit off, I think. I mean, the fastest guy, 42.1. Leo, this is the guy that hit me when I gave him space, and he still helped me off the track, didn't he? But anyway, we did a 42.8. He did a 42.1. Leaders are doing 42.6, 42.1, 42.6. So a bit of, yeah, some interesting times there. So we weren't too far away, but it could have been better. Anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time on the track.